Rizer-Line is an advanced self-regulating heating cable system engineered specifically for livestock watering bowl freeze protection. Livestock watering bowls typically use a standard 1-inch underground supply pipe feeding the unit, along with a smaller supply tube leading directly into the bowl. Rizer-Line protects both by combining in-pipe and external tube freeze protection into one complete system. The in-pipe portion installs directly inside the 1-inch water supply pipe with minimal impact on water flow and pressure, while the remaining cable length is applied externally to protect the smaller supply tube and valves. This single integrated system eliminates the need for multiple products or costly below-grade excavation. The system is factory finished to a total length of 12 feet with an adjustable internal and external portions to suit the installation requirements. Purpose-built to protect the complete livestock watering bowl supply layout. Say goodbye to prolonged installations. The system arrives job-ready, including all necessary plumbing fittings and power supply, making the entire installation often achievable in less than an hour. The in-pipe portion easily pushes into the 1-inch supply pipe with no need for a downward anchoring device. The system remains fully serviceable. The Rizer-Line heating cable is available as a hardwired 120-volt or 240-volt solution, designed to connect directly to the GFCI protected power supply available at the watering bowl. It can also be ordered with a GFCI protected plug-end for quick plug-in installation into a 120-volt or 240-volt receptacle. Rizer-Line is safe, highly reliable, and exceptionally energy efficient. Manufactured from time-tested heat-line self-regulating heating cable technology, high-quality film mat compression fittings with a long history of success, and a factory-supplied power lead. Rizer-Line is certified by CSA both electrically and for potability under NSF 61. Rizer-Line exceeds the highest quality standards and certifications available in North America. Unlike outdated heat tape, the heat-line self-regulating heating cable in Rizer-Line system ensures pipes are never at risk of overheating, even if the pipe is dry, and ensures pipes are never at risk of underheating, even if the pipe is above ground or in extreme cold environments. Additionally, the system can be safely insulated, further enhancing energy efficiency and cold climate reliability. Manufactured, designed, and patented in North America, Rizer-Line comes with a 5-year limited warranty, with an optional 10-year extended warranty. Keep livestock water flowing and eliminate frozen water worries with the most dependable, easy to install, and energy efficient livestock watering bowl freeze protection system available.